The Clarke AC13050 is a 12,000 BTU portable air conditioning unit, supplied complete with a handheld remote control. It is a highly economical unit, with the added benefits of a compact design, coupled with wheels and castors for ease of movement. The multifunctional AC13050 can replace the need for separate devices, as it can operate as a mobile air conditioner or dehumidifier or a 3-speed fan. It provides quick, effective and efficient cooling and drying inside both home and office environments. The Clarke AC13050 benefits from a self-evaporation system, which recycles condensed water to cool the condenser. This improves the efficiency, reduces noise and saves energy. Once the 0.55-litre capacity water tank is full, the air conditioner will alert you and will automatically cut out until you've emptied it, using the supplied flexible outlet hose. Maintenance is straightforward, with easily removable air filters which are simple to wash. All three functions of conditioning, dehumidifying and fan speed can be controlled by either the simple touchpad on the top of the unit or with the remote control. The internal compressor uses eco-friendly R290 gas, which meets environmental directives and has a low global warming potential. The Clarke AC13050 also features an automatic 24-hour timer and selectable oscillating airflow direction. If you need a portable all-in-one air conditioner, dehumidifier and 3-speed fan unit supplied with a remote control and window slider vent, then the eco-friendly Clarke AC13050 is the device for you.